Hey, Brian from Garage Hall. Today I have a new welding helmet, and I'm pretty excited about opening this box up. See what comes inside. And here's the helmet. So right away, it's ready to go right out of the box. So it's by GoGonova, and it has your little control panel here on the side. So you have a grinding mode, which is good because it doesn't give you like that strong intensity you need for welding, but then it gives you some other switches that you can make adjustments. It has like your delay, so if you want it slow, you can turn it this way. If you want a fast delay, after it basically comes back to normal view. I usually try to put that right in the middle. I think it's better. And then it give you the intensity of shade. So you have like a low level, or like a super high level. So if you're doing like a lot of close-up welding and stuff, and then it has sensitivity. And I always leave this on high, so the slightest bit of like glow, it definitely it shades. So this is your front shield, and you get a significant amount of view out of that. Then this is the inside, and it has a nice, comfortable brow pad that's on it. And then you have the adjustable head part in the back, which is always good because we all have different size heads. And like you have a test button on the inside, and then this is where the battery would go on the inside there. It also comes with a booklet that you have a set of instructions that go with it. So it's basically, that's your owner's manual, and that has your contents. And then it's just going to go through like basic maintenance, how to set your helmet up and make adjustments on it, as well as like how to change the battery and everything else. So that was pretty cool and pretty informative. And you also get some extra screens, which I don't know about you, but most of the welding helmets out there don't come with extra screens. That's a little annoying. This one does, so that's great. You have some little extra padding in case you need it. And the coolest thing is it gives you an extra battery. So not only do you know what battery to keep on hand to order extra, but it comes with an extra battery right off the get-go. So, I mean, that's pretty neat. Anyhow, let me put this new helmet on, and let's make a couple welds. Adjusting it, it's got a ratchet in the back, so you can definitely set it up. And then it's got a portion on the back so you can adjust it to your head level. And on the sides, it has like the adjustments. So like when you put it up, you can do the ultra cool and you're ready to go. Or you can make it a little bit stiffer, which I like. So you can kind of like put it down, put it up, and it's going to stay there while you're like moving around and doing stuff. Anyhow, I got to put a couple little tack welds on this exhaust piece right here. The bracket broke off, and I just want to kind of like shore it up a little bit more. Anyhow, let's get welding. Let's check this new helmet out. Okay, so right away, I love this thing. It gives me the right amount of shade that I want, and with the delay settings, I mean, it was like ultra fast, and it cleared up. So, and it kept timing with the glow, and that was like the mid setting. So obviously, you can fine tune it to what you feel that you need, what you like, what's safe for you, and anybody else that you want to give this to or share it with. And yeah, absolutely love this thing. Anyway, Brian from Garage Hall, thanks for watching, and be safe out there. You need the proper safety equipment for the right job. This is definitely it. Okay,